In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your house as a blueprint in Once Human. So in case you were trying to save your base or your house as a blueprint inside the game and give you the ability to be able to transfer your base from one season to another without having to design it all over again, this is a very handy trick. And the way you can actually do it, it's inside the game itself. You want to enter build mode first by pressing B on your keyboard and then pressing right click on your keyboard. And then up here, go into the tab to the very right, which is House Blueprint. In here, you want to click on Draft, and then you can add a blueprint, okay? As you can see, you can have 10 of these, and you can do it by clicking Add Blueprint over here. And then you can either save a single building by clicking on it, but that's not what we're focusing on right now. We're focusing on saving the entire base. So you want to click Save All. And then in here, you want to name it whatever you want it to be named. So in my case, I'm just going to name it main base. And then you can also give it a tag if you want to. It doesn't really matter if you do or not. And you can also give it a note. Let's say I want to give it a note saying this is the first base I built. There we go. And then once you've done this, all you have to do is press confirm or F. There we go. It's that simple. Your blueprint has now been saved. And if you want to then place that base down and use the blueprint, what you want to do is press B on your keyboard again, right click, go inside blueprints, and as you can see, your base is now over here. If you want to place it, you can click on it, and over here you'll be able to see everything about it. So you can see the overview, which will give you a list of all the structures that there are, or your facilities, and then decorative accessories and power generators and stuff like that. You can also zoom out and drag to rotate the base around, and you'll see what it looks like, which is quite cool. Now you can also preview it by pressing V on your keyboard, as you can see over here, and everything else will be removed. And yes, what's the most important part though, is that when you click materials up here, it will show you what materials you will need to craft this base, or to build this base essentially. Now, as you can see, I'm missing a few things, but if you want to simply place it, you want to get these items, as you can see over here, that are on the list, and then once you get them, you want to click simply build, and that's it. It will build the base for you in a new season, or on a new location, or whatever may have happened. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.